Poseidon, god of the sea, earthquakes, and horses, represents control over natural forces. His powers reflect ancient Greek beliefs about the world's unpredictability and nature's power. In myth, Poseidon wields a trident symbolizing authority over oceanic realms and marine life. Earthquakes attributed to Poseidon's wrath illustrate his sway over terrestrial stability. Horses, linked to Poseidon, signify the connection between man and nature's dominant forces. Poseidon's unpredictable nature reflects the Greeks' understanding of chaos inherent in nature. Pre-Socratic philosophers explored concepts of nature, control, and divine influence on cosmology. They questioned how forces like Poseidon's shaped the universe's formation and behavior. Heraclitus observed change as constant, resonating with Poseidon's capricious characteristics. Anaximenes speculated air forms the basis of existence, challenging water's role in Poseidon's domain. Parmenides argued reality's unity, contrasting Poseidon's fragmented control over elements. Empedocles identified four roots: earth, air, fire, and water, echoing Poseidon's elemental influence. Democritus introduced atomic theory, contemplating nature at its fundamental level beyond divine power. Pre-Socratic thought laid groundwork for understanding nature's forces, like Poseidon's influence. Poseidon embodies the ancient struggle to grasp and control nature's unpredictable tendencies. His mythological narrative intersects with philosophical probing of nature and cosmological forces. Greeks revered Poseidon for embodying both chaos and control within natural environments. His symbolism highlights humanity's persistent quest to master the uncontrollable forces of nature. Poseidon remains a powerful representation of nature's volatility and humanity's quest for dominance. Through him, ancient Greeks expressed fear, respect, and fascination with nature's erratic power. His legacy persists in modern interpretations, illustrating enduring intrigue with nature's mysteries. Poseidon's trident, earthquakes, and horses symbolize complex relationships with Earth's forces. Examining him in philosophical context deepens understanding of human nature interactions. Poseidon's narrative prompts reflection on how ancient beliefs influence modern cosmological views. He serves as a historical lens through which perception of nature and control is examined. Poseidon's mythological presence provides insight into ancient and contemporary views on cosmology. By studying Poseidon, we explore the intersection of myth, cosmology, and human understanding. His enduring relevance underscores the timelessness of contemplating nature's powers and mysteries. Poseidon challenges us to ponder our place within the dynamic systems of Earth's environment. As a symbol, Poseidon continues to engage the imagination and intellectual curiosity worldwide.